Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am giving you a laundry room tour. So my laundry room is a small one. It won't take very long at all, but I wanted to show you what I keep above my washer and dryer. So if you are new, as always, subscribe. It helps my channel so much, and I am really trying to reach my first 100 subscribers, and we may or may not be doing a giveaway. So please subscribe and share the channel with your friends, and let's get started. So I'm just going to start from the floor up, and on the floor I have a outside rug from Target. I just got it this season, so they probably still sell these, but it is just a small outside rug. And let's see, you can't really tell the colors probably, but it is cream and silver and I think some dark blue, but it kind of just looks gray. So that's kind of the color scheme in here. I have my washer and dryer. This is actually my second set, and they do not match. I have a Roper washer, just basic, and a basic Whirlpool dryer. And the reason why is I did have a very nice, expensive, front-loading washer and dryer, but they kept breaking down on me, and we only had them for like 6-7 years. So we decided to go this route, and they've worked perfectly for the last 2-3 years. And the wall color is by Magnolia, and it is Emmy's room. And I'm not sure if you can tell, but with the lighting that I have in here, it is kind of like a green color. I think it's supposed to have like a little avocado color in it, but I really can't tell. It's just kind of like a real pale gray, greeny color, and I actually really like it. And I believe I bought it in eggshell, maybe. So this room took less than a gallon to paint, and I only had to use one coat. Like, it went on so thick, so it was really good. Shelves I put up on my own. I still have a little bit of patching to do on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. Finding studs in this room was really tough because it is a plumbing wall, and so the studs ended up not being the 16 inches or whatever they're supposed to be apart, so we had to find them, and so there's a couple mistakes that I have to fix. Just wanted to tell you where I got everything. So this is just a glass jar from Target. I think it's the middle size that they had, and then I just have the all brand little detergent pods that I stuck in here. This is a little floral arrangement that I got from TJ Maxx just a few weeks ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, and it was between $8 and $10. This is an old iron that I got from my grandma, but I see these at antique shops all the time, so you could most definitely find one at an antique or flea market. This basket is just like a little wire basket, and I've had it for several years. I got it at Kroger Marketplace, and I keep my dish towels, which I got all of those from Target, and then my washcloths. And then this little basket up here I also got from Kroger Marketplace, and at first I was keeping the towels in it, but then I decided to put softener fabric sheets, and then I just got these Downy Unstoppables. Let's see if I can focus in for you. I don't know why this camera's being contrary, but It is scent Spring. And so far I like the scent, and I just wanted to try those because I've never had those before. But this little pot is actually a flower pot, and I got it for $5 at Ross. And then this basket, I'm just keeping some extra paper towels in, and I love this basket. I got it at Kroger Marketplace too. And that was the tour of the laundry room. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any comments, please leave them below. I'd love to hear what you think. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!